Hello and welcome to Morning Bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching SW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat, amid the debate between Congress and the BJP over reservation, has declared that the Sangh Parivar had never opposed reservations extended to certain groups. The statement comes at a time when opposition parties are claiming that if the ruling BJP gets a third term, then they will change the Constitution of India and do away with the reservation policy. The Election Commission of India has ordered fresh polling in Outer Manipur constituency. This repoll will be held at 3 stations of 3 assembly segments: Ukhrul, Chengai and Kharong. The constituency went to polls on 26 April. The repolling will be held from 7 am to 4 pm on April 30th. The Election Commission of India has told the Aam Aadmi Party to modify its campaign song. This comes over complaints that it violated rules on advertising and the poll body's guidelines. The BJP had complained to the Election Commission of India that the AAP's campaign song took a swipe at central agencies and the party. Further, Delhi's Chief Electoral Office clarified that they have not banned the song. Noted economist Surjit Bhalla has made his observations about Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. He said that he believes that Congress MP Rahul Gandhi's leadership qualities remain doubtful due to several past instances where he failed to take effective decisions. He further said that, unlike before 2014, the elections are now based on merit. There is a video going viral that purportedly showed a polling agent in Assam's Karimganj Lok Sabha constituency voting 5 times on an EVM for the BJP candidate. After this, the district election officer issued a show cause notice to the polling officials. In a statement, the office of the DEO suggested that the video had been recorded during a mock poll before voting officially began. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has arrived in China. This comes barely a week after he cited Tesla-related obligations to defer his India visit to meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi and founders of Indian space startup. The Delhi police have registered an FIR in a complaint over a video of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. This comes after the BJP alleged that the video showing Shah promising to scrap reservation for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes is fake. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching SW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.